Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to frame Instagram stories. So let's just begin. As you can see here that we are inside our profile on the Instagram. So to add the frame on the Instagram stories, first of all what we have to do, we have to create a story. So now to create a story, we will need to click on the plus icon in the center that we have, and now you will be able to see that we are having the different options here. So we can see the post here, we can see the story here, we can see the reel, and you can also see the other options here as well. But since we wanted to add the frame on our stories, so we're gonna simply tab on the story here. All right, so now as you can see here that we are in the story, and if I just click the picture here, so we have basically clicked a picture, and now on this picture we're gonna use the frames. So how we gonna use the frames? As you can see the smiley icon at the top along with the alphabet, which is at the second number. So I'm going to simply click on that. And here what we can do, we can simply search for the frames. And from here you can actually use any frame, whatever you want. So I want to pick here, or I want to go here, let's say with this one. So I'm going to simply select this one. And right now I would just resize my image so that it can fill up my frame. And I would also enlarge my frame. So I think this is looking perfect. Or we can also use another frame. So I think I would like to change the frame here. So I'm going to simply drag this and I will simply delete this. I'm going to go again here. So I think I'm going to go here with this one. So I'm going to simply enlarge it so that we can fit it with our picture. And I think this is looking better now. So this is how we can basically add the frame. And now we're going to simply click on the arrow here, which is on the bottom side. Click on share and it will be shared on your story. So if I just tap on my profile picture here, you'll be able to see the story here with our Instagram frame. So this is how we can add the frame in our story. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.